just can't believe that I can actually see now. I can wake up and I can see, and it's a great feeling. I've had to wear glasses since I was 7 years old, and I'm 25 now, so I've had 18 years of pretty bad vision, and it's just amazing to wake up and be able to see. I will say, I think it puts me in a better mood, to be honest. Hey guys, I'm making this video before I get LASIK because I wanted to document the process before. Also, here in a second, I'm going to take out my contacts so you guys can maybe get the idea of how bad my vision is. But I wanted to kind of take you guys through this entire journey. So I'm filming this at the end of July. I got a consult, I feel like about a week and a half to 2 weeks ago, to see if I was going to be a candidate for LASIK. I have been wearing glasses, I believe, since I was 7 years old. I am 25 now, so 18 years. And then I've been wearing contacts since I was about 12, so for 13 years. I have pretty bad vision. My left eye is worse than my right eye. Obviously, I'm not a doctor or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to share, I guess, about my vision. Maybe this will help you guys out if you've been thinking about LASIK. I've been thinking about it for a while because, as I mentioned, I do have really bad vision, and I've been talking with a couple, like I know I've talked with other people as well who have LASIK, and they have said that it is one of the best decisions that they've ever made. I just really want to be able to wake up and be able to see, because whenever you have bad vision, I mean, obviously I'm very thankful that I do have glasses, and especially that I have contacts, just because I think that I can see better with them. But I want to be able to wake up and see, and also at night it can be frustrating because I have to take my contacts out because my eyes are dry. Then I have to put my glasses on, and I just don't see as well with my glasses than I do with my contacts. Unfortunately, that's just me personally. But yeah, this has just been something that I've been thinking about for a while. And also, one of the things that my friend mentioned, I'm not sure if the doctor told her or not, because she actually also got a consult with LASIK, but she mentioned that basically getting it done now, because we're about the same age, getting it done now, you'll be able to have the longest benefit. Because obviously whenever I get older, you know, after 40 and that kind of thing, I will have to have reading glasses. I'm aware of that. That is one thing that the woman mentioned at the consult, that even with LASIK, you're still going to have reading glasses. That's just a factor of age, unfortunately. But I just really want to be able to see and to see well, and I feel like that's going to just be a really cool experience. I don't know, I'm not trying to downplay it. This is just something that I've been thinking about for a long time. So my surgery is August 28th. Obviously, I'm going to be posting this video after the whole fact. I'm filming this, today is July 30th. So my surgery is August 28th. August 26th, I have an exam. Haven't had that yet, as obviously. But I think she's going to be, I guess, you know, actually like looking at my eyes and stuff like that, or the doctor will, the person who's performing the surgery. And then another interesting aspect that I wanted to point out is that I have to take my contacts out August 19th, and I can't wear them. I think it's around a week before the surgery. I can't wear them for that amount of time. And I was talking with my dad, but I think a doctor told him that that is because the contacts actually affect the shape of the eyeball, and obviously I'm going to follow all of these directions because I want to have the best results possible, but that is going to be kind of annoying. I feel like having to wear glasses for a week because, as I mentioned, I just don't see as well with my glasses. But that is, I hadn't heard of that before, having to take your contacts out and not being able to wear your contacts for a certain amount of time before the LASIK. I'd never heard of that. So that's another thing that I wanted to point out. I'm not going to be talking about cost just because it'll be different where you live and depending on the doctor that you go to, that kind of thing. So I think that's all I have to say right now. So I'm going to take out my contacts really quick and then read something to kind of show you how bad my vision is, like how close to my face I have to hold the item. So I will be right back. I'm back without my contacts, and just for, I guess, point of reference, I know my camera is obviously here and I can see myself and that kind of thing, but it is extremely blurry. So I just got a thesaurus to kind of show you as an example. I was actually gonna just open it up and try to read something or show you how close it has to be, but even the title, like, do you see how big this font is? I have to hold it ideally here to be able to read like this section, and then also this section comfortably. And then the font is kind of small inside, but I have to hold it literally right here to be able to read. Like, do you see how close this is to my face? And then I don't want to put my contacts in to show the difference, but I just know in general, you should be able to hold it at least like here and be able to read it, but it has to be here. It has to be basically in front of my face for me to read the words, and I just would like to be able to see. I wanted to film a segment of this video wearing my glasses because, first of all, I don't think I filmed, actually I know I didn't film, at least at this time, a single video wearing my glasses on YouTube. At least every now and then I'll go on like Instagram stories, shout out, you should follow me there. Every now and then I'll go on Instagram stories wearing my glasses, but not too often. Anyway, so just kind of as a little update, because I kind of do want to like document my journey a little bit, if you will. Today is Wednesday the 21st, so as of the 19th I couldn't wear my contacts anymore because from my understanding, I believe the contact kind of shapes your eyeball or forms it or something like that, but basically, you know, obviously I don't want to have anything like that before I have LASIK. If I get a better understanding of it, I will include that, but if not, that's my vague understanding of it. Obviously, I'm not a doctor or anything like that. Anyway, so I couldn't wear my contacts starting August 19th, which was really unfortunate, and it's really weird to think that I'll literally never wear contacts ever again, because I've been wearing contacts since I was 12. It's just strange. And I'm 25 now. For contacts, for context, surgery is scheduled for August 28th, so I still have another week to go of wearing my glasses, and I'm really not looking forward to that part. Hopefully that part goes by quickly, just because I can't see as well with my glasses. Mostly, I really do not like wearing my glasses. Not to complain too much, because I know there's people, you know, who can't afford contacts or LASIK or anything like that, or things like that rather, but I just cannot see as well with my glasses, and I've worn contacts for 13 years, so I'm used to wearing contacts. And the way that I can kind of describe it is with contacts, that's like your actual vision. Now, it basically like really corrects your vision, but obviously temporarily. But for glasses, you can definitely tell the difference because you're seeing through the correction of your vision. And obviously, you know, your vision is like, you have to move your head more because like the correction is only this like little square where the glasses are. But basically your contacts, you can always move your eyes around. Also, I think personally at least, wearing my glasses makes me tired more. I don't know if it's because I like mentally, because I always will put my glasses on like right before, like at night before I'm going to bed or whatever. So I don't know if it's a mental thing that like I have my glasses on, so I'm just like subconsciously tired for that. Or I also have a theory that it like not strains your eyes, but maybe a little bit at least. Rather, with wearing contacts, it basically temporarily corrects your vision, but with glasses, I feel like it's a little bit more work on your eyes because you're looking through the correction. And I think it kind of strains your eyes. And also, this might also all just be in my head. I might be the only person who gets sleepy from wearing glasses, but if that is also you, let me know in the comments down below. Definitely very interested. But yeah, I just wanted to have a little clip here wearing my glasses so we can remember this phase of Hannah and her glasses. Today is surgery day. I know this is not like a good angle or anything like that, I'm aware, but I just kind of wanted to have my thoughts recorded, like literally right before I get my surgery done. I'm going to be leaving in about 20 or 30 minutes to go have that done. I am pretty nervous. I know, do I look this way? Yeah, cool. I'm pretty nervous. I know the procedure isn't going to take very long. It's a very commonly done procedure. My doctor seems really nice, so that's great, but I still, like, in the back of my mind, I'm gonna be a little nervous because I know, like, you're awake during the surgery and that kind of thing, and I don't know, like, I have anxiety in general that I've spoken about, so of course my anxiety is pretty high right now, but I know what I just keep on telling myself is the end result is going to be so much better. I'll finally be able to see all the time without wearing glasses or contacts, and I will say this past week and a couple of days of having to wear my glasses, I personally do not like wearing my glasses. I can't see as well with them. Like after wearing contacts for so long and that kind of thing, I just do not like wearing my glasses. I can't see as well with them. So I'm very excited for the end result, but I am a little nervous going in. My eyes are running really, really bad. It was hard for me to open my eyes, and also I just wanted to kind of like leave them closed to let them heal the best as well. But I knew the end result was going to be 2020. So it was really, really, that just kind of kept me motivated. It kept me on track.